Welcome back. It's Chuck, David Business, doing some tutorials for WordPress beginners. So hopefully you've been following along and you guys are learning a lot. Today I'm going to talk about linking a Mailchimp account with your WordPress website. So if you want to start a Mailchimp account, go ahead and do that first. If you already have, that's great. What you're going to want to do is go to plugins, and you can watch our plugins video to figure out how to do that. And you're going to download the Mailchimp for WordPress plugin, and you'll see it right down here. Once you download it, you'll get this screen here. So this is like your main screen for Mailchimp. Then you're going to go to, it's going to ask you for your API key in Mailchimp. So you want to go to your Mailchimp account. Here I'm going to use my wife's. You're going to go to the top, go to account, and then right over here where it says extras, you're going to drop that down and do API key. So this will bring you to this screen, and then I won't scroll down here too much. Ours is down here, but you'll get a screen right here that'll have like an egg, and it'll ask if you want to create an API key. Just hit create, and it gives it to you. It'll show up under API key down here. You're just going to copy it, go back to your website, and paste it here, and then do save changes. And then you'll see your stuff come up down here, with the list that the basic list that you created in your Mailchimp account. So then some other things you want to do is after you do that, you save it. That'll make it active. So then you can come down here, and then you'll see there's checkboxes and forums. So if you go to checkboxes, you can just come down here and just kind of look at everything. You can pre-check the checkbox, yes or no. Just some basic options you can fill out here. And then forms is where it's going to establish the form that you want to show up on the front of your website. So here you have to check this box. It's going to import automatically the list that you have in your Mailchimp account. So you have to check. This will be unchecked. So you need to check this. And then down here you'll have your basic. This is just the code for the sign-up sheet that's going to show up wherever you put this page. So and then here's the code down here, so you can put or in a page somewhere. You can do a sign-up form wherever you want by just copying and pasting this into that page. If you want to add to it, you can do select a field, so you can now add some more buttons to it, whatever you want. I added name and email address, so you say your email address here, so you'll see name here. So you don't want to mess with the code too much. Just save your changes when you're done, and then like I said, you can take this and copy it into a post, and it'll show up on your website as a sign-up form. You can put it in a page, or whatever you want to do. But the great thing with the Mailchimp is the plugin that it shows up. This plugin shows up in the widgets. So now you can go to widgets. Now that you have all this set up, and once that stuff is good, you can come in here and you'll see that it will import your Mailchimp sign-up form right here. So you can click on that and add it if you want it to a sidebar, footer 1, footer 2, footer 3, wherever you want to put it. Up here I have it on my sidebar here, and I think I have it on footer 1, nope, footer 2. So here it is. So it's just Mailchimp, where it's already in here. You don't have to do anything with this except title it. You can title it whatever you want. This one is my brother's, so it's just news feed or newsletter. You can title it whatever you want. So put your title on it, put it where you want it, and then go to your page, and we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so here's his page. He had it on the sidebar. So here it is right here. It has a newsletter, first name, and email address. Those were the two that we added. So if you wanted to add last name, it would all show up here, or take out first name and just do email, it would just show email. However you set it up. And this is the widget that he set it up as in here. And then that footer 2 one is right down here. So you can see how it showed up. So if he had copied and pasted that little snippet and put it into a post, into one of these posts, these are all blank for him. He's still getting this set up. But if I had taken that little piece of code that I showed you and put it into the post, then you would see the sign up form right under the picture in the body of the post before the social media signs. So that's what it would look. It would look like this, but it would be in the body of the actual post itself. So hopefully that clears things up. Hopefully that's helpful. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll get back to you and try to answer all comments and questions. And thanks for watching.